Hello?
Hi, Blockchain Jane.
Good morning. Good morning, Become Boxer. How are you?
I'm alright. Are we set?
Um, just about. Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
We're
So,
set.
okay, tell me when we're ready.
Oh, yeah, we're ready.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hi to the listeners. Hi to our new YouTube family. Hope you're all having a wonderful morning. We're going to go through the markets and look at what's happening, looking at what's new in crypto news, and looking at anything new that's influencing the market or anything new that's coming up. If you guys on YouTube do have any questions, please leave a comment and we will discuss it on our next show. We will be having two shows a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So please feel free to comment and reach out. Our Instagrams are in our social, are in the about page. So if you do want to reach out and DM us, please feel free to do so as well. There is a link on our about page for stereo. So if you do want to come and join in the chat live, please smash that stereo link and don't forget, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that like button too. That was a bit long, but there you go. We're on. Okay, so let me uh, let me get going. I haven't done that for a long time, that's for sure. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let me get the markets up, and we'll start with the
Okay.
markets.
Right. Let's see. Let me pull it up as well. Huh. See what we got here.
We'll see where we're at. We are. Oh, come
Huh.
on.
Well, what have you got? Have you?
Okay, come on. Sorry, guys, it's just loading. 1 second. We have liftoff. So, oh, come on.
Yeah. Well, I'm looking. I just got it pulled up here. Well,
Are we in a good place? A bad place?
yeah, it's about like it's looking a little better than it did yesterday this time. But we're still like still got quite a bit of red. But we do have some things looks like they're slowly coming up, but no like huge gains. Actually, this doesn't look too bad, all things considered. Hmm.
It had to be that it wouldn't load for me for some reason, which is really annoying. I'm gonna have to
Right.
return to coin market cap. Give me one. Oh no, it's come. Cool. Okay, so geez, so we have it's a little bit better. We have Bitcoin, which is at $45,131, which is down just under 1%. We've got Ethereum at 3,500, which has recovered a little bit.
Right.
Cardano at $2.09. Dogecoin still the same at 49 cents. We've got XRP at $1.52, which is up 2%. Okay, we have got some Solana is doing really well actually. Solana is at
Mm-hmm.
$51, which again is up about $3 on yesterday. Litecoin,
Right.
whoop whoop, is above $300 again at $304, up 5%. Bitcoin Cash is at $1,127, which is up 1% as well. We've got
Mm.
VeChain. Ooh, VeChain is at 16 cents, which isn't too good. But let me give a big shout out to Polygon, which is up 30% at $2.15. I am going to have to put that up in the group afterwards. That is amazing, amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. Hex
Well, it is
is at
amazing.
gone.
No, it's just amazing that in this dip, Polygon has just been doing its own thing.
Yeah, Polygon is killing it. And there we have our clickbait for the video for the YouTube. I love it. Hex is at 5 cents, up 1%. And we got Tron, which is back up at 11 cents. Still down slightly, but it's got the thing. Polygon just cheered up and brightened up my day, it did, which made me happy, which is good. FTX is back up actually, $52 now, which is going in the right direction. Maker is up 5%, $4,877. I think we are seeing a slight turn, you know.
Right,
Crypto.com is at 15 cents. And then there's a lot of green on this page. Everything is
right,
turning, so that is pretty cool. Now let's go here. We've got BitTorrent, which is still down. It's at 0.005. Yearn Finance is up as well, actually, at
right.
$72,456 now. Um, and Sushi Swap, Jesus, Sushi Swap is still rocking, up another 10% at $19.10 now. Revain is slightly down at 0.02. And then we got, okay, let's
Mm.
quickly, Telcoin is up 12% at 0.0443, so it's 4.5 cents. Decentraland is up 14 cents since yesterday, actually, which is at $1.20, up at 6.5%. So look, it's a mixed bag today. Everything
Right.
looks. There's some things that look red, some things that look green, and I think that we're in a place, to be honest, that people will be taking advantage of the dip that happened yesterday, and it looks like people are definitely taking advantage of
Taking
it because
advantage. Yeah.
yeah, because you've got things recovering and we are making a thing. But the one coin that has really cheered me up today is Polygon, which is over $2, and I will be keeping track of that because that is amazing, amazing, amazing. Let me see if there's anything in the news. One sec.
Yeah. I was checking a bit before we got started, and nothing really sticking out for me. Pretty much the same. Ah, I guess as we get into the week, we'll hear more. We'll see more.
So here I've got why crypto stocks dropped like rocks today. So this is, let's see what it is. The world of cryptocurrencies were thrown off over the weekend by Elon Musk. Suddenly soared an industry that caused a big drop in cryptocurrencies like uh, BTC, Ethereum. As I'm writing, Bitcoin is down 9.2% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is down 9.8% and Dogecoin is down 7.4%. That puts a loss for the week at 26.4%, 17.1%, and 15.7% respectively. When an underlying currency or commodity like cryptocurrency falls, it's no surprise that the holders of the asset and producers, known as the miners, drop as well. Today, some of the biggest losers are Clean Spark with a 10.7% drop. Riot Blockchain with a loss of 13.5%. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which dropped as much as 14.4%, and Marathon Digital Holdings, which lost as much as 12% of its value at 2:30 p.m. The stocks were down 9.3%, 10.4%, and 13.4%, and 8.9% respectively. So what? The drop in cryptocurrencies today was driven by Elon Musk's comments over the weekend and Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Last week, Musk said that Tesla will stop taking Bitcoin as payment for vehicles. Okay, that's the same stuff. We ain't going to go into that again. Let's see if there's anything else. Bitcoin price crash live. Nope. What happened to cryptocurrency? Nope. Same. Okay, all right. It's exactly the same stuff. You're right. Let's see what these bubbles
Right.
are saying.
I just got snacks from DoorDash and I'm gonna eat them all. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna do it. Oh, yeah. So many snacks, so many snacks, so many snacks. Woo!
Okay,
Good morning.
fantastic. Good morning. Enjoy your snacks, TT. Enjoy your snacks. Look, guys, the market, from what I can see, the market looks like it's going to recover. I think we're starting to slowly see a recovery, but I'm not going to speak too soon. I think we're in that place that it can go either way. So it'll be interesting to monitor it for the rest of the day and see where we're at. But right now, when I'm looking at it, all I can see is I can still see the big boys still in red, but they're in a better position than they were yesterday, and that's the main
Right.
thing. And every day there are some glimmers of hope. And what has excited me and has cheered me up a little bit is that when I'm turning around and I'm looking at Polygon, I'm seeing something fantastic, and that's a good sign for me. And once you get away from the big boys like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can see Litecoin is up. It may not be up totally and recovered, but it's going in the right direction. Then you've got all the smaller cryptocurrencies which are following suit and recovering. So it'll be interesting to see what happens throughout the day. But right now we're in a good place. I think we're where we need to be, especially I will take any bit of green right now with what we've seen over the last few days of everything being red, and red. Um, any
Right.
bit of green would be. There's nothing new in the news. There's nothing exciting. And again, all they've managed to publish in all the articles is again about Elon Musk. So it just shows there's nothing else influencing anything at the moment. But what we do need to do is we just need to keep our eyes open for the rest of the day and see what happens when the market recovers. I'll also be looking at some new coins throughout the day today to see if there's anything we can pick or anything that's going to give us any sort of return which we can take advantage of on the dip. So I'm going to research those throughout today and I'll talk about them on our afternoon show. But right now, all I see is the market's recovering and that's all. There's nothing really new. So if you guys have got any questions at all, please feel free to share. So a big shout out to Akil, Sweet Loving, Tiny Terror. I hope you're enjoying your snacks. If you guys have got any questions, please share them and we'll try and help. Blockchain Jen, have you got anything to ask as well?
No, not well. Actually, well, a couple things. Just to kind of follow up with the whole news thing, since there really isn't anything new. But I would say, looking through this morning, a slight difference would be that I'm seeing several articles just by title where they're saying, yeah, it's not just us that's just annoyed with the guy, and I think he's probably learning a valuable lesson because the news has changed from in one day it looks like everybody's like freaked out about the markets over the weekend and they're like Elon Musk, and then today his name is still on everybody's tongue, but it seems that people are just like, listen, crypto is not going to be abused by you. I'm seeing several articles that are like, uh, cut it out, dude. So that to me overall is pretty cool, because it looks like people are just annoyed and ready to move on. And then question wise, I noticed this coin the other day. I know a little, I only know kind of what the company does. Celsius. Do you know this
Yeah.
coin? Celsius
Is it the
Network. Do you?
is it the C?
It's
What's the ticker for it?
it's CEL.
Yeah, is that the one we spoke about yesterday?
Did we talk about Celsius yesterday? Oh no no
It's the
no, that
one
was
that
like,
was up.
I think that was, it was something with the C, but I don't think it was Celsius. I
Okay, I'm
believe
gonna
this
look into.
Celsius.
I'll look into it, or unless you've looked into it, that'll be super. Tell us about it.
Well, no, I haven't actually looked into it. It stuck out to me because a good friend of mine, she sent me a link. I think it's, I didn't actually follow up with the link, but I have a feeling it's something like one of these BlockFi type of platforms. But I'm just looking now at their overview. Retail savings platform, yes, for interest bearing and borrowing accounts with fiat on ramp as well as market leading. I don't know what CFI lending provider. Yeah, it's some type of like investment platform. My friend was, she sent me the link because she has an account there and she's telling, how she
Okay,
earned.
send me the link. I'll look into it for the next show.
Okay, because I've been noticing. I'll definitely send you the link. I just have to find it, but I'll send it to you before our next show. But I noticed it over the weekend has been doing pretty good. Um, that said, I don't really know anything other than what my girlfriend told me. So, I don't have a lot of information to work with on that. But yeah, if we could see, because that one's been doing pretty good the last couple days. And it's not, well, it's at $7.13 right now. But so that's the only question in terms of coins right now. Um, I would have.
Okay, that's cool. So my takeaway message from this show is we're recovering. There's nothing in the news. There's no point just making a show full of nonsense because we like to bring you up to date facts on this show. So right now we've got some green in the market. The market's beginning to show a little bit of recovery. We look forward to seeing what happens throughout the day, and we'll be back at 5 p.m. for the rest of our show. And again, to our new YouTube family, if you want to come and join us on stereo, please smash the stereo link in the about page. And to all our listeners here on stereo, thank you for joining in. And again, some shows will be long, some shows will be short. It all depends on what's happening in the market. And again, this afternoon, you'll be in for a treat, and we'll be talking about some new coins. I'll be researching, looking at coins that we could possibly take advantage of for the dip. So, guys, thank you for tuning in. Blockchain Jane, as always, a pleasure. And to the rest of you,
Likewise.
we'll see you on the afternoon show. Thank you.
All right, guys. Bye.